Hello. In this video we're going to discuss advice to governments, crude oil. People aren't aware of this, but it is an unlimited resource that was brought to earth from heaven. In a discussion with God, God did mention to me that if the world were to run out of oil, that heaven would bring some more in. So the thing about oil is it's a compound. Contrary to a lot of people's beliefs, it does not come from insects that died during the dinosaur era. It's a deliberately made compound that can be broken down through use of refining, which gives you fuel, lubricants, and chemicals, as well as plastic. So this is something that humankind benefits from. It is a good thing, it is not a bad thing. There are many uses for crude oil, and humankind has discovered many so far. Now we look at methods of detection of oil fields. So oil is brought in from heaven in a spaceship, and a massive pipe is put into the ground, and oil is pumped into the reservoirs, and it is arranged so that humankind can find the oil fields. So on the surface, when you look at an area where you see oil ponds, most of them are done up in nice patterns. So you look at Dubai and Nevada are a couple of examples. Around Nellis in Nevada, there's one. If you look inside the oil pond, you'll come across a place where you can connect a pipe. So you drain the pond, and then you'll find that in one of them there'll be a place where you can extract the oil. There's instructions as well. So in order to extract the oil, it's simply you'll see a receptacle, you get a pipe, and you place it into the receptacle and force it down using weight, and oil, the receptacle will open and oil will flow through the pipe. In order to stop the oil flow, you just retract the pipe or lift the pipe up, and it will automatically pump in. It has pressure down there, it will automatically pump the oil upwards. So you don't need to drill down there, it's right there. For out at sea, you use a sonar and you can detect reflective material on the sea floor. This material is done in patterns, just like in Dubai. So you can see an image, then you know there's an oil field down there. Often there's an arrow that points to where the receptacle is. So you lower a camera with a light and you take a look, and you'll see a set of instructions. You get a pipe and you lower it into the receptacle, and you put weight and it pushes down and oil flows upwards. So you don't need to drill down there. That's how you get oil. So that's some things about crude oil that people don't know. So it's from heaven, and it's an unlimited resource, so you don't need to worry about it. There are problems with refining on Earth today, and that's because of pollution. So with the refining process, there is some oil refineries that are adding an additive to the exhaust, which is increasing greenhouse gases dramatically. And you need to stop that because it will cause the greenhouse effect to become worse and causes massive problems and massive storms, which is covered in videos about global warming, which I mentioned in another video. So that's a bit about crude oil. It's from heaven. I'm the Archangel Daniel, and I'm from heaven.